3 reasons you need to try this anti-snoring device. Number 1, it uses soft medical-grade materials that makes it comfortable to wear all night long while you're sleeping. Number 2, Zen Mouthpiece is available without a prescription. It saves you a trip to the doctor and those hefty bills for sleep studies. And last but not least, Zen Mouthpiece is unique in its approach to combat snoring. It targets the root cause, preventing the soft tissue from falling back into your throat and obstructing your airway. Since I've started using Zen Mouthpiece, my sleep quality has improved dramatically and my snoring has completely vanished. This has made me more rested and alert during the day, and has a bonus: my blood pressure is back. We're in a healthy range. Zen Mouthpiece is FDA cleared and doctor recommended. Your health may be seriously suffering from your snoring.